Hozir o'quvchilarimdan biri yozgan agree essayni ko'rib chiqamiz, tekshirib, kerakli joylarga feedback beramiz, o'zgartirish kerak bo'lgan narsalar va yaxshi yozilgan muhim narsalarni aytib o'tib ketaman. How people living in the 21st century have a better quality of life than previous centuries. To what extent do you agree or disagree? 21-asrda yashayotgan odamlarda hayot yaxshiroq sifati bor, yaxshiroq imkoniyatlar bor. Previous centuriesdagi odamlarga qaraganda shu fikrga qo'shilasanmi yo'qmi deyilgan. Hop, introduction. There is an ongoing debate among some individuals that our living condition has changed compared to the past, and it is believed that 21st century offers wide range of opportunities. And even before I completely agree with this viewpoint for several reasons. Shu yerda birinchi bo'lib gapni ikkitaga ajratish kerak. Sentence juda ham uzun, bitta gap juda ham uzun bo'lgan, ikkitaga umuman bo'linmagan. Bu yerdan boshlab ajratgan yaxshiroqdi. Bu yerdan bitta nuqta qo'yib turib, bu I completely agree with this viewpoint deb turib yozgan yaxshiroqdi. Endi says statementda several reasons o'rniga nima reasonlar borligini qisqa qilib yozib ketsa bo'ladi, clue sifatida main ideyalarni, lekin bu majburiy emas, shu tarzda ham yaxshi. Faqat bu ikkita gapga aylantirish kerak, buni ikkita gapga bo'lish kerak. Bu introductionni hozir bitta o'zi tursa, juda ham uzoq bo'lib ketadi introduction. The sentence is too long. But birinchi badiga o'tamiz. Demak, yozuvchi, o'quvchi agree bo'lgan, ya'ni qo'shilgan bu fikrga va hozir 21-asrda hayot sifati yaxshiroq, imkoniyatlar oldingi asrga qaraganda yaxshiroqligini tushuntirib berish kerak. Birinchi badida the first reason is today we have an easy access to better health care compared to the past. First reason is today we have shu yerda sal awkward narsa ketgan, shuni sal rewrite qilish kerak, boshqatdan yozib olish kerak. Nimaga deganda the first reason is that we have an easy access to better health care today compared to the past. Bo'lish kerak. Today bu yoqga o'tish kerak. Nowadays, people's life expectancy and overall well-being is more likely to be higher because of better treatments and advanced systems in medicine. They may more likely people's and overall well-being to be subject verb agreement noto'g'ri qo'yilgan. Life expectancy and overall well-being o'sha ikkita narsa bo'ldi bular, are qo'yilish kerak. More likely to be higher because of better treatments and advanced systems in medicine. For instance, individuals can have daily check-ups whenever they want and go through complicated surgeries which can help them. No need to. Helpdan keyin verbni o'zini ishlatamiz. Maintain their health for longer periods. Hop, demak, healthga ko'proq e'tibor qaratilibdi hozir. Additionally, many scientists and researchers are working on to find solutions to incurable diseases like genetic illnesses, leukemia, and to many other infectious diseases that were almost impossible to treat decades ago. That were almost shu yerdan sal qisqaroq qilib yozsa bo'lardi. Infectious diseases considered almost impossible to treat deb qo'ysa bo'lardi. Xato hisoblanmaydi, lekin uzun yozilgan gap hisoblanadi. For instance, additionally, shu yerda sal boshqacharoq qo'shishni tavsiya qilgan bo'lardim. Many scientists and researchers are also working. Shu yerda additionally ni o'chirib turib also qo'shib qo'ysak, smoothly o'tib ketadi. Bitta ideyadan ikkinchi ideyaga additionally deb turib virgul qo'yganimizda pauza bo'ladi. Bu hop, cohesion bo'yicha muammo hisoblanadi. Linking word overused bo'lgan bitta ortiqcha ishlatilgan deyiladi. Endi ideyalar yaxshi, chunki health care ga e'tibor qaratilgan, better health care. bu mana main point bo'ladigan bo'lsa, butun essay davomida o'sha better healthcare haqida yozilgan. Yaxshi, seriously unaqa jiddiy xatolar yo'q. Another contributing notion to this factor is technological advancements of this era. Yana bitta notion bu technological advancements. Demak, ikkinchi argumentimiz technology bo'yicha ekan. This is because technologies make our lives much easier by lowering human labor and workforce, like in agriculture fields or in manufacturing goods, by replacing them with improved machines. Hop, shu yerda shu like-dan boshlangan tomonini boshqatdan yozish kerak. Yana complicated va awkward, tushunishga qiyin bo'lib ketgan. Lekin bu yerda this is because technologies make our lives much easier by lowering human labor deganda technologies make emas, have made. Ya'ni present perfect. Hozirgacha shunaqa narsa qilib kelyapti, yana hali davom etadi bu narsa. Umumiy gap emas. Hozir biz chunki 21-asrda hayot yaxshilashdimi degan savolga hozirgacha yaxshilashdi degan narsani berishimiz kerak-ku. Xuddi shu narsa bo'ldi. Shuning uchun bu yerga have made deb yozish kerak. Bu muhim bitta. Endi ikkinchisi, this provides extra free time to individuals. Demak, bu narsa qo'shimcha vaqt beradi odamlarga ko'proq oilasi bilan sarflashga, personal needslarni look after qilishga va hop, bu yerda yana bitta komma yetishmayapti. Needsdan keyin listing bo'lyapti-da. Mana spend more time with family, look after their personal needs and improve from both mental and physical side. Improve from both mental and physical side. Besides benefiting in workplaces, it can positively affect. Shu yerda referencingda xato. Bu seriously xato hisoblanadi. Lekin ko'pchiligiga sezilmaydi. Referencing. Ya'ni referencing bu it o'zi qaysidir so'zni o'rniga almashib keladigan so'z hisoblanadi va bu biz e'tibor qarataylik, o'zidan bitta olingan nounni tushuntirib berish kerak. Mana misol uchun workplace ni o'rnida kelayotgan bo'lishi mumkin it. Side degan so'z noun hisoblanadi. Buni o'rnida kelayotgan bo'lishi mumkin, lekin aniq bu yerda o'quvchi it bilan boshqa narsani nazarda tutmoqchi. Ya'ni nimani bo'lishi mumkin? Bu extra time individualsga berilishini it bilan yozgan o'quvchi. Shu yerda nima yozish kerak edi? Qanaqa yozsa bo'lardi deganda, misol uchun this extra misol uchun yo'q. Bu to'g'ri repetition bo'lib qoladi. Misol uchun such a free time, misol uchun such a free time deb yozsa bo'lardi. Bunday bo'sh vaqt, demak can positively affect yoki bo'lmasa bunday imkoniyat deb yozsa bo'lardi. Yoki bunday qulaylik deb yozsa bo'lardi. It o'rniga bu yerda noto'g'ri referencing bo'lgan. Hop, affect to our general daily lives by providing different types of assistance for communication, public services and educational systems. Okay, conclusion of the to sum up, I believe people living in this century have better access to numerous opportunities, including healthcare and technological advancements, that can influence their quality of. Shu yerda yo'q, o'zgartirish kiritmaydi. That can influence ni o'rniga shu joyda bitta virgul qo'yib turib, both of which desak, sal emphasis yaxshiroq tushadi. Ya'ni urg'u sal yaxshiroq tushadi, yaxshiroq yozilgan hisoblanadi. Imенно shu yerda. Compared to the past difficulties that people faced. Conclusionda compared to past difficulties that people faced degan narsani yozishimiz xato, chunki biz bu narsani umuman mention qilmadik. No mention at all. Bu narsa haqida umuman mentions yo'q. Bu narsani yoza olmaymiz hozir. O'rniga nima yozsa bo'lardi? Pastda shunaqa imkoniyat bo'lmagan degan gapni aytdik. Misol uchun o'tmishda shunaqa narsa bo'lmagan desa bo'lardi, lekin difficulties people faced haqida gapirmadik. Ya'ni shu narsalar bo'lmagani hisobiga odamlar qiynalgan degan narsani ishlatmadik-da. Shuning uchun conclusionda faqat biz yozgan narsalarimizni conclude qila olamiz. Boshqa qo'shimcha narsa yoza olmaymiz. Shu tomondan xato bo'lgan. Endi bu essayga men hozir shunaqa tomondan qaradimki, o'zi mana grammar bo'yicha, word choice bo'yicha, punctuation bo'yicha yana necha marta o'qisa shuncha marta xato topsa bo'laveradi o'zi hamma anaqadan ham, o'quvchilarning essaysidan ham. Lekin bu yerda hozir shunaqa главный xatolar belgilanganki, bularni birinchi o'rinda hal qilish kerak. Bularni hal qilish osonroq va nisbatan kamroq vaqt oladi va baliga, o'quvchini baliga to'g'ridan to'g'ri yaxshi ta'sir qiladi. Shuning uchun asosiy xatolar, главный xatolar shularni to'g'rilansa, keyin bu essayni ancha ichiga kirsa bo'ladi. Nima tomondan, qanaqa vaziyatlarda yana ko'proq xatolarni sezish mumkinligi bo'yicha.